Understanding Financial Struggles, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches many lives around the world: financial struggles. By understanding this phrase, you'll not only expand your English vocabulary but also gain insight into a common human experience. So, let's get started and explore what financial struggles truly mean. Financial struggles are two words that pack a lot of meaning. The word financial relates to money, finances, or how wealth is managed. Struggles, on the other hand, refers to difficulties, challenges, or efforts in facing problems. When we combine these words, financial struggles describe situations where individuals or families find it challenging to manage their money effectively, often leading to stress or hardship. Financial struggles can arise from a variety of situations. Some of the most common causes include loss of employment. Losing a job can suddenly cut off the main source of income, leading to financial difficulties. Unexpected expenses. Emergencies like medical bills or car repairs can disrupt a carefully planned budget. Debt. High levels of debt from loans, credit cards, or mortgages can lead to a financial strain. Economic downturns. Recessions or economic crises can impact entire communities, leading to widespread financial challenges. Understanding these causes can help us empathize with those facing financial struggles and offer support where possible. The effects of financial struggles extend beyond just the wallet. They can impact mental health. Constant worry about money can lead to stress, anxiety, or depression. Physical health. Financial stress can also cause physical health issues due to stress or the inability to afford proper health care. Relationships. Money problems can strain relationships with family and friends, leading to conflicts or misunderstandings. Recognizing these impacts can foster a deeper understanding of the serious consequences financial struggles can have on individuals' lives. While financial struggles can be daunting, there are ways to overcome them. Budgeting. Creating and sticking to a budget can help manage expenses and save money. Seeking assistance. There are many resources available, such as financial advising services, that can offer guidance. Increasing income. Finding ways to increase income, such as taking on a part-time job or developing new skills, can also help. Prioritizing expenses. Focusing on essential expenses and reducing unnecessary spending can free up financial resources. These strategies are not only useful for those currently experiencing financial struggles but can also serve as preventative measures. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and implications of financial struggles. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the term better but also provided insights into the challenges many face and how they can overcome them. Remember, learning about such topics expands our empathy and understanding of the world around us. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.